my gluten-free vegan pancakes. I'm based in Croydon here, but I'm also at Brick Lane on a Sunday. So here we go. So this batter contains no egg. I use egg replacer, psyllium husk. It's good for detox and it's good for digestion. So this is how I start to spread it on. The flour is gluten-free, raw cane sugar, and almond milk. And there we go. Just gotta wait for that to set. This one I do banana and blueberries with my dairy-free chocolate sauce. As you can see from the menu here, we have both sweet and savoury. Here's the bananas. Just put my gloves on. And loosen it. Okay, and ready to flip. Golden and nice, and then put the other side. So I've been a vegetarian all my life, but I'm turning to switch vegan because it's much better for you. You need to cut the milk and the cheese out your diet. I'm not sure if you heard the Dr. Sebi videos or your nutritionist videos, but it's really bad for you. I've got vegan cheese as a good replacement here for normal cheese. It tastes just the same, but it's made out of all natural ingredients. Okay, this looks like it's ready. So now I'm going to turn it in half. And this is going to have blueberries and stripped banana on top. Fresh blueberries. And then my dairy-free chocolate sauce. And there's your gluten-free crepe. Also have pancakes as well. American style. Whoa, don't get it. It's hot. Let's pull it down here. Just do crepes. We've also got American style pancakes in portion of 4. We do Dutch pancakes, but we've got that at Brick Lane. And that's pretty much it.
So you're on social media?
So I'm on social media as well. I'm on Instagram and Twitter. If you type in GNC Desserts, at GNC Desserts on Twitter, and I've got a whole Twitter feed of what I do. I've got the stalls on there, images of the food, everything. And where else? And I'm gonna have flyers soon with my number on there that you'll see. You'll be able to collect from Croydon. And yeah, thank you very much.